Alright, how we doing, guys? My name's Austin. I spoke with y'all earlier today about y'all's website and how y'all are also running an ad on Angie's List and what I can do to actually help y'all's business, because I have a lot of business with other clients in the AC industry and they cannot take on any more clients right now. So why not pass them on? With that being said, here's what we got going on, guys. So your home page, Google's looking for the right content, okay? Um, that being said, we got to have more words and more keywords on the front page. So good job with the advertisement right here. We need a better little footer as well. And we just, all together, we need more words on the front page, okay? That's going to really help out. Now, as far as your services go, let's check this out real quick. Right, yep, see, so the reason why you're not ranked, you're on the 7th or 8th page right now, is because you don't have enough info on your home pages, your service page, your About Us page, or stuff like that, okay? So these are all the competitors, all your websites that are doing a lot better, that are ranked on the top page, okay? You have 1 hour air conditioning and heating. So they have their service page, About Us, their reviews, expert tips, and as you can see, this is all the services that they do. Emergency HVAC, air conditioning, heating, thermostats, air quality, ductwork. 25% off, 10% off, contact sheet that you can fill out right then and there, submit the form, and then kind of like, about us, what they do in their work, how they do it, around the clock, guarantee. So they have the right content, which is why they're ranked on the top page, okay? They also have everything on the bottom, who they partner with as well, who they advertise for, and what they're on, and what kind of payments they take, okay? Now, if we were to look at their actual rank when it comes to this install that I use, it's called Atris. The UR is going to be their popularity, okay? DR is going to be the strength. So look at this, right? They're ranking pretty high, okay? Now, the backlinks is what is going to be on other websites. Let's say a lead generated website like Angie's List, Home Advisor, stuff like that, right? If we're to go to click on, one of those, it's going to backlink to this page, their page right there, just like that. The more traffic, the more times it get clicked, right? The more times it's going to backlink over. That's why they have 8K backlinks. Now, the referring domains, 2.1K. It's kind of similar to backlinks, a little bit different. That means that the domains are also ranking on other websites as well. It's going to keep giving them more power and more strength and more popularity, right? Now, they almost have 48,000 keywords. Keywords are very important. Why are they important? Because if you use the right keywords, guys, that's what Google's looking for. So, like, look, AC repair, air conditioning, 1 hour heating and cooling. The volume is how many clicks per month, okay? The KD is a keyword difficulty, okay? So 14, 33, 71. CPC, this is pay-per-click, basically. So people are paying $50 to click on that. $10, $8, $9, right? That's the average click that people are paying. This is the amount of traffic, right, that's going up and down per month between the volume and between the clicks, okay? And then that's the position that they're in. So first, right, third, sixth, these are all first page except for, let's see, this right here, thermostat, page 18. So all together, this is all the different domains, URL, right, where they backlink to, okay? So that's an example of how that works. Next competitor, right, it's going to be Premier Comfort AC. Now, they have a lot of good stuff on their page. AC repair, AC placement, all the different services they have. A lot of content on their page as well, which is good because Google, like I said, is looking for that kind of stuff. They can do a little bit better, though, when it comes to the content and what they have on there, okay? Because I'll show you what they're lacking. They have good strength. Their popularity, not so much. Decent backlinks, not enough referring domains. A decent amount of keywords could be better. Their traffic's not that high. The traffic value's at 1.5K. Could be better, and look what they did today. They dropped 11K. Last 7 days, almost 30K. Month, that's what they dropped, right? So this company really peaked at what, June of 20? That's when they really peaked when it came to domains, and looks like December of 19 is when they peaked also, January. So that's what we're looking for, guys. And last but not least, we have Hopkins Air Conditioning. This is an older service, older website build as well, but the reason why it's so popular is because they've been around for so long. They have a lot of information on their homepage, which Google is looking for once again. Kind of a generic layout. Doesn't look that pretty, but Google doesn't care about pretty, right? Facebook, Twitter, Google, YouTube, Instagram, everyone that they're partnering with, and everyone that they've been rated by, right? Linux, the Better Business Bureau, Angie's List, stuff like that, which is really good. If you look at their stuff, it's not that impressive, but they're on the first page. 20 strength, 8 popularity, 330 backlinks, 34 referring domains, 241 organic keywords. Traffic could be up, traffic value could be up as well, okay? So, for example, let's see what they're backlinking to, right? So, lead gen right there, best 30, right? 26 best West Palm Beach. They refer back to themselves. HVAC, heating, and AC. So that's what we got to get you on. Okay, that's going to really help. And then here's y'all's Facebook page. Okay, what's lacking with y'all's Facebook page is the Facebook page. You want to be niche specific and make it really detailed. That way, you're narrowing a certain either area that you want to target, and then also people's news feeds. Facebook has really evolved over the last couple of months, and Facebook has changed when it comes to marketing. So we need to update this as well if you want to see more traffic, more volume, and a higher ROI, return on your investment. So with that being said, please respond to my email after you watch the video. You can find me at austinolivier24@gmail.com. This is going to be y'all's page right here, guys. No data at all. 11 organic keywords. No traffic, no organic traffic, no backlinks, no referring domains. So superhero, so nothing to do with AC right here really. And we need that in there. We need air conditioning, AC unit, AC installs, AC repair, right? Fixes, anything like that. We need that kind of stuff in there. Thermostat. That's what's going to get you on the top page.